Below is a much more detailed and expanded professional monograph for Dabigatran Pradaxa. This is written in clinical textbook level detail, suitable for healthcare study or reference. Dabigatran, extended detailed monograph. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Dabigatran etexylate mesylate, prodrug. Drug class, direct oral anticoagulant, direct thrombin, factor 2A, inhibitor, brand names, Pradaxa, main brand globally. Available dosage forms. For adults, capsules, 75 milligrams, 110 milligrams, 150 milligrams, contains tartaric acid to maintain acidic environment for absorption. For pediatrics, oral pellets, dosage based on weight, compounded oral solutions may be used in clinical settings. Capsule characteristics. Must be kept in original container with desiccant, moisture sensitive. Number 2. Definition. Dabigatran is an oral anticoagulant used to prevent and treat blood clots. It works by inhibiting thrombin, an essential enzyme that converts fibrinogen to fibrin in the clotting cascade. It is used as an alternative to warfarin but does not require INR monitoring. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Active form. Dabigatran etexylate, rapidly converted by esterases to dabigatran, the active thrombin inhibitor. Actions. Directly binds to free thrombin in plasma, also binds to clot-bound thrombin within fibrin clots, reversibly blocks the activity of factor 2A thrombin. Pharmacological effects. Prevents conversion, fibrinogen-fibrin, inhibits activation of factor 13, prevents fibrin cross-linking, platelets via thrombin receptor inhibition. Overall effect. Prevents clot formation, prevents growth of existing clots, reduces risk of stroke, embolism, and venous thrombosis. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. ADAME. Absorption. Prodrug form absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract. Bioavailability 6 to 7%. Acidic core in capsule enhances absorption. Do not break capsule. Distribution. Protein binding 35%. Volume of distribution moderate 50 to 70 lit. Metabolism. Does not use CY450 system. Fewer drug interactions than warfarin. Converted from prodrug via hydrolysis by gut and liver esterases. Elimination. 80% renal excretion primary, remaining eliminated via bile and feces. Half-life. Normal renal function, 12 to 17 hours. Moderate renal impairment, up to 18 to 20 hours. Severe impairment, up to 28 hours. Onset of action, 1 to 2 hours after oral dose. Steady state reached in 2 to 3 days of BI dosing. Number 5. Uses primary clinical uses, prevention of stroke, systemic embolism, and non-valvular atrial fibrillation, NVAF, treatment of deep vein thrombosis, DVT, pulmonary embolism, PE, prevention of recurrent DVT, PE, prophylaxis of VTE after hip replacement surgery. Pediatric uses, VTE treatment and prevention in children 3 months, weight-based oral pellets. Number 6. Indications. Dabigatran is indicated for 1. Non-valvular atrial fibrillation to reduce risk of stroke and systemic embolism. 2. Treatment of DVT and PE after 5 to 10 days of parenteral anticoagulation, e.g. heparin. 3. Prevention of recurrent DVT PE, long-term secondary prophylaxis. 4. Postoperative VTE prophylaxis after hip replacement surgery. 5. Pediatric VTE therapy, weight-based dosing for children. Number 7. Contraindications. Active pathological bleeding, mechanical prosthetic heart valves, risk of thrombosis. Severe renal impairment, CRCL 30 milliliters per minute varies by guideline. Hypersensitivity to dabigatran, severe hepatic impairment with coagulopathy, recent spinal epidural anesthesia with increased bleed risk, acute major trauma or recent hemorrhagic stroke. Number 8. Precautions before taking dabigatran. Tell your clinician if you have renal issues, renal impairment, dose adjustments required, age 75, higher bleed risk due to renal decline, gastrointestinal conditions, history of GI bleeding, peptic ulcer disease, esophagitis, gastritis, drug can cause dyspepsia, bleeding risks, concurrent antiplatelet or anticoagulant use, thrombocytopenia, recent surgery or trauma, intracranial hemorrhage history. Drug interactions. Drugs affecting PGP transport, increase or decrease dabigatran levels, pregnancy, breastfeeding, safety not fully established, typically avoided unless benefit outweighs risk. Surgery or dental procedures requires temporary discontinuation before procedures, usually 24 to 72 hours based on renal function. Number 9. How to use. Administration instructions. Take capsules whole with a full glass of water. Do not break, chew, crush, or open capsules, leads to dangerously high absorption and bleeding, can be taken with or without food. Store in original bottle or blister because capsules are moisture sensitive, must be used within 4 months after opening bottle. Number 10. Dosing information, adult standard doses. A. Non-valvular atrial fibrillation, 150 milligrams twice daily standard, 110 milligrams twice daily for age 80, high bleeding risk, moderate renal impairment, use with verapamil, depending on region. B. Treatment of DVT and PE, after 5 to 10 days of LMWH-UFH, 150 milligrams twice daily. C. Prevention of recurrent DVT-PE, 150 milligrams twice daily long-term. D. Postoperative hip replacement VTE prophylaxis, day 1, 110 milligrams once, then 220 milligrams once daily. Dose adjustments for renal impairment. Moderate impairment, CRCL 30 to 50 milliliters per min. Consider lower doses, 75 or 110 milligrams depending on local guidelines. Severe impairment, CRCL allow 30 milliliters per min, usually contraindicated. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. If next dose is 6 hours away, take missed dose immediately. If next dose 6 hours away, skip missed dose. Do not double dose. Overdose may cause severe, life-threatening bleeding. Treatment of overdose. Idarucizumab, Praxbind, specific reversal agent, activated charcoal if ingested within 2 hours. Hemodialysis can remove 50 to 60% because Dabigatran is low protein bound. Number 12. When to stop or avoid taking Dabigatran. Stop immediately and seek care if profuse bleeding, black tarry stools or bloody vomit, severe abdominal pain, sudden severe headache, significant fall or trauma, need for emergency surgery, signs of allergic reaction, rash, swelling, difficulty breathing. Never stop abruptly without medical advice. Stroke clot risk increases. Number 13. Side effects. Common, 10%. Dyspepsia, stomach pain, heart nausea, minor bleeding, nosebleeds, bruising. Less common, diarrhea, GERD-like symptoms, fatigue, rash. Serious, major gastrointestinal bleeding, intracranial hemorrhage, hematuria, hematoma formation, hypersensitivity, or anaphylactic reactions. Number 14. Vital information, key safety notes, no INR monitoring required, unlike warfarin. Renal function must be monitored at baseline and periodically. Capsule integrity is crucial. Do not open. Store in original closed container, sensitive to moisture. Stop before surgery, 24 to 72 hours depending on bleeding risk and renal function. FDA-approved reversal agent, idarucizumab, makes it safer in emergencies. Number 15. Other drugs that affect dabigatran. A. P-glycoprotein, PGP inhibitors. Increased dabigatran levels, amiodarone, verapamil, dronedarone, ketoconazole, quinidine, clarithromycin, increased bleeding risk. B. P-glycoprotein inducers, decreased dabigatran levels, rifampin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, St. John's wort, decreased anticoagulation, clot risk. C. Drugs that increase bleeding risk. Aspirin, clopidogrel, ticagrelor, NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen, SSRIs, SNRIs, other anticoagulants, warfarin, heparin, steroids, GI bleed risk. Thank you. Have a nice day.